Hello my pandas, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to thread a needle. This is my needle. You can see there's a little eye on top and the sewing part on the bottom. We're going to take our thread. I'll choose red for this instance. We'll unthread it. Then we'll take it, undo this. You take the little end. If it's frayed, you want to cut it. You thread it through. Focus. All the way through, you can see. Make sure to pull it to the correct length you want. And then there, you have a perfectly threaded needle ready to go.